Now take a look at this footage. This footage was filmed in Israel. And the question that I want you to ask yourself when watching this footage is, first of all, what exactly is taking place here? Do you think that this clip has anything to do with biblical prophecy? Take a look.
מאיפה זה מגיע? תקשיב. צלם מלמטה.
These sounds are happening all over the world, and they have been for years, but there's no explanation. In fact, there have been times where these sounds have been discussed on the news, but there was no definitive conclusion about what these situations actually are. The Most High, the Creator himself, Yahweh, brought forth his word. His word became flesh and dwelt amongst us around 2,000 years ago. This is the man you've probably heard of, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Yahushua HaMashiach. He died, his blood was shed, and he rose from the dead on the third day. If you believe in him, you shall not perish but have everlasting life. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. So give your life to the Most High today, turn to Christ, believe in him. He is the way, the truth, and the life. He's the only way to the Father.